Alright, we're gonna try to update the Cardo, Packtalk bolts and slims. We just download the software and yes, I haven't done it yet because wait a little bit. My units work fine. If you look the Cardo Packtalk bolt playlist we have there and slim, we have all the settings from the latest video if you want to check it out. How to work out voice commands and all the stuff. Okay, so basically what you want to do is, okay, you want to turn off your security software for this update to be installed. I tried before, it didn't come through because I have the security software there. So it will take a couple of minutes, and I haven't connected the units yet. I'm just looking on them right now. I try to find the cable. You have to use the original cable. Okay. Now they have made a new one, the Edge, that you can actually update through Wi-Fi. I look at it. I think this is more better for group riding and stuff. We don't do large group riding. We are good with the bolt. That's fine. And this is a new product from Cardo. Then I have no idea how much it's going to be. Okay, I have to restart the computer, but the problem is I'm uploading a video. You know what? I'm gonna continue the upload in a minute. So I'm gonna restart the computer now. So this is also the drivers, okay? This includes the driver, so you can do the latest update. Let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, so I just, sign up. I did an email verification here, then another one, because I haven't, logged in to my account for a while. All right, and now they ask me for the USB cable, so I'm gonna look for the cable and I'll be back. Okay, so it looks like I have found the cable, and I'm gonna try first. You know what? Let me see if that thing is charged. Alright, so connection was lost. This one is mine. Have to open the Bluetooth. If you want to see how I'm doing all this, go back to my videos. You're gonna find it, believe me. Okay, so this one is this on the Bluetooth. Alright, it's on. Update your unit. Discover Cardo update. So we have battery. Crown is there. Discoverly. Alright, so I'm gonna connect it. We're looking good. One thing I'm gonna tell you is make sure you connect them on USB 2, not USB 3. They don't like it. So let's see if it's gonna work. This unit is mine, and let me turn it off. It doesn't say here if I have it on or on, and I don't remember. So I'm gonna turn it off. Put it on USB 2. All right. Simply connect your unit to your computer using the Cardo USB cable. Alright, so let's okay, so it's connected. I just turn it off and I look my other videos so I can remember what I have done. Update. Firmware available. Your current firmware version is 5.7. Okay. This firmware work really good, so I'm not sure if I want to update, but you know what? I give it a try. All right. So this is my unit. I'm gonna click update firmware, and the time now is 7:25. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna take. It's 7:25 p.m. Okay, do not disconnect your unit until the update is complete. I won't even touch it. It's right here, okay? Right here, and I have put it on USB 2. Alright? Not gonna recommend USB 3, it might not work. People have actually problems also with the Senna on this one. I'm not sure the new one they made, the edge is over Wi-Fi. It doesn't really matter then. But if you have a Bolt, then just, follow this video and you should be fine. If you want to see more details, just go to my 5.7 update on the playlist of Cardo. You hear the noise, it's connecting and it's disconnecting the USB from installing the firmware. Setting up a device, you are setting up Cardo device. Look at that. That's from the computer. And I have to remove devices ready. It's keep going. I haven't touched anything really. And I have disconnected the security software. I use the 360 and a couple more. It's 7:27, so that's 2 minutes on the clock. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you again. You download the update from the Cardo site. It's right here. Let's go look at it. We'll do the verification. It's right here. Mac and Windows. Download. Put it somewhere and before you restart the computer, right-click and install as administrator with a right-click. Okay. Then it will tell you to restart the computer. Of course, when you're installing that, again, turn off your security software. All done, your unit is up to date. Check it out. So we have the latest update. Okay, your firmware is up to date. Your current version is 5.10. So we went up 3 points. All right, let's see. Now what I'm gonna do is, let's see if I have to, how I'm gonna disconnect the unit. Yes, I'm worried a little bit to put the other one on. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off like that. Yes, and I'm gonna put my wife's unit and leave it there. It's working, you recognize it. Okay, so I didn't have to turn off the computer. You just remove it from here, all right? Nice and easy, and put the other one if you have a dual. Firmware available, yes, so it takes 3 minutes. Update firmware, don't touch nothing now. Let it do the job. So it's not bad. It's like 3 minutes each. I think the last time was more. It took more time to update. In the meantime, let's go look. Crayon is here. Crayon, say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Yeah, he's grown up. Look at that. Look at that. And let's look at the weather. We have a beautiful video you're gonna see. We went to the sea yesterday. It's on, it will upload today, so it will be ready tomorrow for you to see it. We went to the sea. Finally, we have good weather. If you go back a couple of videos, you're gonna see we have 4 feet of snow here. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? All right. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. You hear the beeps? It's disconnecting, connecting. Again. or when this works, installing firmware, make sure you don't touch nothing on the computer, nothing on the unit. Don't disconnect nothing. You might just destroy it. And I'm not kidding. Okay, if you want to go to the Cardo update website, is Cardo Systems, okay, .com/update. And again, you're going to be doing a verification when you log in with your email. If you haven't logged in before, just register and you should be okay. Okay, Packtalk rows connected. We probably need seconds. All right, we're done in 5-6 minutes, both units. Great, it's done. That was it. All done. Your unit is up to date. That was the second one. All right. We're done. I can disconnect it. All right. Close the app. And let me just turn on at least one. Okay. I'm gonna turn on mine. And go to Cardo. Okay, looking for a unit. And just make sure the Bluetooth is connected. It's connected now. Okay, when that happens is you have to completely remove the app from the memory. Go to Bluetooth. Okay, click Bluetooth and make sure that thing is blue. Then close everything, make sure nothing is in the memory, you see that? And then open that again. Okay, and it should connect now. Yeah, they're a little bit sensitive. All right, it's connected. Now you can mute your microphone while writing in your DMC group. You see that? You can mute the microphone now if you don't want nobody to hear you. Continue. While in DMC mode, press the intercom and audio buttons together as shows above. While to do that, right? So you can mute, you press the two top ones, the front one and the top one. All right, interesting. And that was it. We're all good. If you want to see the settings and everything, just go back on my videos so you can see the best settings I have found on these ones. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Give me a like. All right.